Okay, welcome back to the next tutorial we have. In the last tutorial we talked about how to create a page, how to do your settings and your menu. Now in this tutorial we'll talk about themes and plugin. Yes, themes and plugin. And there are two different ways by which you can have your themes in your WordPress. So I will take you through the different ways by which you can do that. Number one, I want you to know my internet is connected, and immediately after this class I'll be doing another class for those of you that, if you're a web designer, a developer, an IT expert, a graphic designer, animator, and you're finding it hard to get clients, I'll be dropping a class for that. It's just a small amount of money that you're going to pay, and you'll be getting unlimited clients in and outside Africa. So you can just wait for that. That is coming up very soon. Okay, let's go into what we have. Now we want to download a theme. So I'm logged into my database. I believe you know how to do this. Now under appearance, you go for this theme, appearance, then you click on this theme. Now you discover the theme that is active here is 2019, but there are other themes like 2017, Futurio. Now I will show you how I get this Futurio. So if you want to add a new theme on your own platform, there will be nothing like Futurio. What you have is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now to get your Futurio, the next thing you click on is add new. That is, you want to add a new theme. Then since you are connected to the internet, automatically WordPress will load available themes for you that you can use. So once you get the theme, you look at the theme that you love, that has to do with what you are doing, and you go for that theme. Now the theme does not mean that's how your website will look like. If you are professional, you can download any theme and you will renovate it to your own taste. Now look at this, is a theme. Corporate club is a theme. This is a theme. Wow song is still loading. So you see there are a lot of themes that you can just download. So what you just have to do is you just install it. Since you are doing it inside your WordPress, you just install it. Then after installing it, you activate it. You can see it's still loading more. It's still loading more. Now if you know the name of your theme that you would like to use, you can just search for the name here. Now how do you see different themes of WordPress? You go to www.wordpress.org.organization. The word org means organization, .com means .company. So you need to just know those words are called extension. This org is called extension. Now as we wait for that one to load, so if you want to do this, let's say we want to pick corporate club, or okay, maybe something like this. Okay, let me pick this corporate club. Then you click on details and preview. Details and preview. You will see automatically it's loading something here. You can read it out, and what you just have to do is you install this theme. But most especially if you want to go about theme, it's good for you to search for the type of theme you need, or the type of theme that can work for you before downloading it. So you can just go to Google and you search for any theme that you want to use. For example, you just search for the best theme for so. Best WordPress theme for so. So you just get the theme. Best WordPress theme for web designing company. If it is a construction company you want to develop a website for, just search it. Automatically it's going to bring something for you. It is sure it's going to bring something that you can use. So you look at the type of themes there, then you pick one. You see 14 best WordPress theme, free. You see free, just you click for it. You see this one. Okay, best WordPress theme for web design company below. You see LT Creator, ET Wevo, LT Arto, LT Art Studio, sorry. But most time I don't do this. I just take one of the theme, then I renovate it to my taste. Now this is wordpress.org. This is where you get your theme and your plugin. Now what's the difference between theme and your plugin? Theme is the lookout of your website, and plugin is there are various development that has been made by different set of people that can allow you to perform a specific task. Yes. Now look at this theme, for instance, international business. Look at it. International business is a beautiful and elegant blah 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 blah. You see that it's showing you a preview here. Now this preview does not mean this is how your website will look like. No. Look at theme demo. This theme demo is where you get the preview of the theme you are downloading, the demo content. So you copy that, I copy that, then I go to a new tab and paste it to look at how it will look like if I'm to download this international business theme. So if you want to download it, you can just install it directly. Once you click the install, it will work. Okay, let me install international business theme because I think it's catching enough. It's catching enough. I love the way it looks like. Okay, let's wait for it to install. You see, installing. It might take few time, so just leave it, let it install. Now as we wait for it to install, we can now go for what we call plugin. Now let me open this one in a new tab. Plugin. There are various plugins you have in WordPress, and the more you work, the more you get to know what they are used for. So now let me take a look at something. Let me tell you this. Let me go to my PC. Let me go to my PC. Okay, this is one of the website I designed. Now this is the content of your website. I've showed you this before. Now this is where you get any theme you've uploaded, WP content, then plug in. You see these are plugin: WordPress SEO, Tidio Live Chats, MailChimp, Futurio Extra, Elementor, Contact Form, and Click to Chat. Now come and see the themes that I'm using for this work. Now you see Futurio and Astra. They are very nice theme that I do love to use. Now you discover that this is still installing, so it's going to take time. I don't need us to wait for it. Let's just leave it. It should be working. For that, okay, let me close this tab. We don't need it. Now that is the first way of installing your WordPress theme. Now let me go to the second way of installing your WordPress theme before we go into plugin fully. Now you can upload a theme. Now you click on this one, you open it in new tab, upload a theme. You see, now it brings something out. If you have a theme in a zip format, you may install it by uploading it here. Yes, that is nice. Now how do you do that? I want to upload a theme. Let's say I'm not connected to the internet and I want to upload a theme. The first thing you have to do is you have to download your theme to your hand. You have it on your PC, saved on your PC, and how do you get that? wordpress.org. Now you click on themes under wordpress.org. Okay, now this is the theme I'm trying to download. Look at it. After developing the website, look at how it will look like. Is this not fascinating enough? Wow, this is awesome. Man, I love this. If you can get something like this, I would advise you to use it for your company. For example, those of you that want to get IT, you want to have your IT company. Oh, I'm thinking of changing my own website to something like this. You see that this theme is awesome, it's good, slideshow, everything. This is a professional work, a touch of excellence. So you can get this. Actually, I'm installing it now, so maybe we should work on this. If you want us to work on this, you can subscribe. Just subscribe to the channel and just message me. Just tell me, yes, let's work on it. Okay, I'm closing that. Now WordPress theme, wordpress.org/theme. Now international business, I'll still click on this. Where is it? Where do I have it? Okay, I have it somewhere here. You see, it has been installed. International business has been installed. So if you want to use it, the next thing is you just click on activate, and by clicking on activate, you've activated your theme. Now let me go straight to this. Now you know the name of your theme you want to download. That's international business. Now click on search for international INTL business. You see that it's rolling. searching for a theme bearing that name. Now once you get that theme that you are looking for, the next thing, you see, this is it, the next thing is for you to download it. And when you are downloading it, you discover it's a zip format. So let me download it. Let me download this. You see 370 kilobytes, very small. Now let me show you this downloaded format. Show in folder. Now you see this is it. This is my international business WordPress theme. So let me save it in a folder. Free web class theme. Now I'm saving my folder in a theme. Now this is a WinRAR format. Call it WinRAR or you call it zip format. And look at this instruction here in WordPress. They ask you to upload a zip format. So all you have to do is drag and drop, or you use select option. So you just drag it and you drop it inside this. Then you see automatically it's bringing install now. But I don't want to install it because I've already installed it. Yeah. So I don't need to do it again. Now another format by which you can upload your theme is to extract the downloaded version. Now if you extract this, extract here. Now let's wait for it to extract. Boom. Now you see that you have a folder with something like this. So the next thing is you can copy this folder, copy it, and you go ahead to your directory, localhost D. This is my directory, htdoc, free web class, wp content, then my themes. Then I paste it inside. That's Ctrl V, but I don't want to paste it because I already have it here. You see that it's the same thing. So that's how to download and install your theme. Now we'll be working on international business. It's already downloaded, so I'll activate it. Now the last thing we want to talk about is plugin, and I've opened it. This is it. You just click on your plugin and install plugin. You discover that this one has not been activated. This one has not been activated, but I don't need this thing. Now what you have to do is add new. The same format with theme. Add new. Okay, I want to add. Let me close this tab. Pew. I don't need it. You see, bam, activated. My themes is activated now. You see that once I activate it, it's downloading another theme automatically for me, which is corporate blue. Corporate blue. The reason is that the creator of this theme is the creator of this theme, and it is linked together. So most time I always advise people to download the theme they want to use from WordPress, from this platform, not from going to www.wordpress.com. And once you download it and activate it, you discover this note is that this theme recommend the following plugin: Jetpack, one-click demo. You see that plugin, top bar call to action. Then they ask you to take to action, begin installing plugin and dismiss. So the first thing you need to do is install this plugin because they are necessary, they are recommended. So click on this. Let's leave that one as it install. But I want to show you how you can get a new plugin. After clicking on add new, then you can search for any plugin you need. You can search for any plugin. So as we need plugin, we'll be searching for it, we'll be downloading it, or we can upload the plugin. It's the same procedure as that of themes also. You go to www.wordpress.org. Then from there you see your themes. Then you download the zip format and also you upload it. You see, this is, you click on plugin. Then you can search for plugin. One of the plugin we'll be using is Contact Form 7. Contact Form 7. You see, this is Contact Form 7. Then the next thing is you click on it and you download it. You click on Contact Form 7. You download it and you upload it the same way for that of the theme. So guys, that's how to download and install plugin. Now back to my directory, my WordPress, I've installed the recommended plugin and I've activated it. Sorry, now I will need to install it. So instead of installing it one after the other, I can just click on this, so it will highlight everything, and bulk action, I'll just click on install, then apply. Let me close this, we don't need it. Let me close this, we don't need it. So guys, there are a lot of things I'll be showing you later. So immediately after this class, I'm going to prepare another class for you. So let me install it. You discover it's going to install. It might take time, and after installing it, you will see activation. You see, or you can install it one after the other, then you activate it. So in the next tutorial, we'll be talking about, we'll continue from the next tutorial.